Realme 13 series launched today with the Realme 13 Plus and Realme 13 5G. Both phones offer a similar set of specifications and features. Realme 13 5G come in dark purple and speed green, and Realme 13 Plus comes in victory gold, speed green, and dark purple colors. Both phones feature a 6.67-inch FHD plus E4 AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate. Realme 13 Plus offer 2000 nits peak brightness, and Realme 13 offer 580 nits peak brightness. Both phones offer IP65 dust and water resistance, rainwater smart touch technology. Realme 13 Plus powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 energy processor with Mali G615 GPU, and Realme 13 come with MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor with ARM G57 NC2 GPU. Both phones feature a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, 2MP mono camera, 16MP front camera. Both the smartphones power by 5000 mAh battery. Realme 13 Plus offer 80W and Realme 13 offer 45W ultra charge. The Realme 13 5G series begins at a starting price of 17,999 rupees, and Realme 13 Plus 5G is priced at 22,999 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.